On today's video, I will explain to you how you can use your phone battery for a long period of time. Best settings for your phone that will make your phone battery last for a very long period of time. I will take you through step by step, so let's move on. So the first mistake is we should allow our phone battery to charge to a complete 100% before we use it. We should not use our phone while it is charging. Doing so will make your phone battery spoil because it will generate heat to the phone and the phone battery, making the phone battery life spoil early as possible. So we should allow our phone battery to charge. Our next mistake is we should reduce the brightness of the phone screen anytime you're using it during the night or the daytime. We should reduce it to a certain percentage. That will make the phone battery last for a very long period of time. You should set your phone screen brightness to low so that your phone battery will not consume more energy from the screen brightness. And the next thing we will talk about is always turn off your data and Wi-Fi when you are not using your phone. You should turn it off because more energy of the battery is consumed by the data and the Wi-Fi when it is on. So if you will use your phone data or Wi-Fi for a very long period of time, it is advisable to reduce the screen brightness so that your phone battery will not drain faster. And when you are sleeping or charging your phone, always turn off your Wi-Fi or data off. Doing so will make your phone battery last for a very long period of time without spoil. Always restrict background apps from using your phone battery. Some apps on our phone always work at the background, so we should always restrict these apps from not using our phone battery when you are not using your phone. Doing so will help your phone battery last for a very long period of time. So we should restrict many apps that we use on our phone from not work at the background so that our phone battery life will last for a very long period of time. Never operate your phone camera to record videos or taking pictures for a long period of time. During the night, when taking pictures with your phone, always reduce the phone screen brightness and turn on your flashlight before taking pictures and record videos. During the daytime, recording videos and taking pictures, make sure you turn off your phone camera flashlight off before using it. Doing so will make your phone battery last for a very long period of time. Remove covers or case while charging or using your phone. When you are using your phone to play games or charging your phone, make sure you remove the back cover of the phone before charging it or using it. It will generate more heat to the phone and making your phone battery drain faster. It produces a lot of heat to the phone, so always remove the phone cover when charging or using your phone to play games and other things. Another way of making phone battery last for a very long time is reduce notification and caller tone. Set your phone caller tone and notification volume to a low level so that when getting messages and getting calls, it will not ring for a very long time in a high volume. So always reduce the notification volume and the caller tone so that when you get call or receive any message, it will not ring for a very long period of time or disturbing. This causes phone battery to drain faster as it should be. Then never operate your phone flashlight for a long time. So when you are using your phone at home, office or any place, we shouldn't operate our phone flashlight for a long period of time, sleeping with it or using it to study. When doing so, you will heat your phone, making your phone battery drain faster. Anytime your phone heats, it's the phone battery that will drain faster as it should be. All these mistakes make your phone battery drain faster. Subscribe to the channel for more videos. Like and comment if you don't understand anything. I hope this video is very helpful. share to others for others to watch. Thank you for watching.